How to create a poll on WhatsApp group chat. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a poll on WhatsApp group chat. Let's just get started. Open up WhatsApp and go over to the group chat where you want to create a poll. Then you can find the little clip icon on the typing bar. From there, you can find the poll option here. Tap on it. Then you can ask a question, and then you can easily add your options down below. So you can just go ahead and add your options here. And once you've added your options, you can allow multiple answers if you want, or if you don't want it, you can just toggle it off and just send it on your group chat. Now, if someone selects an answer, they'll only be able to select one answer from the list, and you're good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.